Yeah, we just got finished doing a roof repair for one of our customers, and she was pretty much highly satisfied with the way that the work turned out and how everything went. So she's decided to do a video testimonial for us, and so I'm going to be asking her about 3 to 4 different questions here. And so, yeah, Miss Kathy, the first question is, how'd you hear about us there?
Well, I heard about you from a neighbor on my street. She was very satisfied. However, I didn't stop at that point. I then looked up KangaRoof on the internet, and I read reviews, and I felt like this would be a good company that I could work with. In the meantime, I got 2 other estimates as well. One of them was totally unsatisfactory, and the other estimate was good, but it was not as inclusive as what KangaRoof was going to do for me.
Okay, great, good to hear. And what was the problem that you were experiencing in trying to solve, and how did our service solve it for you there?
Well, the first thing was I had wind damage, and it tore off some of the tiles, but what I didn't really realize were there was some other tiles that really needed repair, and the underpiece on the tiles needed some work as well. But not only that, when I got the estimate from Kanga, they were willing to tell me that they would work on some nail pops and other areas where things weren't sealed as tight as they should be, and that did it for me, because they did a complete job, not just what I said that I thought the issue was, but they took the time and effort to really look over my roof and to make it back in really good shape.
Okay, great. And what did you appreciate most about the service that we provided for you?
Well, the main thing is that the work was really well done. But on top of that, what I loved was that Maurice got on the roof with a camera and showed me exactly where the damage was done. And then after the repairs were made, he showed me the before pictures and the after pictures, so that I knew that it actually was done and completed to my satisfaction.
Okay, great. And the last question, Ms. Kathy, is would you recommend our service? And if you would, why would you recommend our services?
Well, I would definitely recommend your services because of a job well done. In fact, I live in an HOA community, and I'm going to talk to our community members about looking at our roofs to see if they could use like a touch-up, not necessarily replace, but touch up as far as the algae that's on the roofs, and get that cleaned off. And I just felt like you were dependable, you were on time, you let me know what was being done every step of the way, and you did a fantastic job. I can't ask for much more than that.
No, you can't. Okay. Well, yeah, thanks for the comments there, Miss Kathy. And your time and interest is always greatly appreciated. And thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay.